Discover 20 affordable classic cars perfect for restoration projects, including models like the Chevrolet Corvette and Volkswagen Beetle. With conditions ranging from running vehicles to those needing significant repairs, all priced under $2,900, this is a rare chance to own iconic cars from the 60s to the 80s. Car number 1, 1979 F-250, $2,900. Location Snohomish. This 1979 F-250 has a 400 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It runs and drives with all electronics working, including lights, wipers, and heater. The paint and body show some wear, and there's minor rust in the bed. The cab is solid, and the interior has brand new seat upholstery. A solid project truck needing new tires and a windshield repair for long drives. Car number 2, 1969 Mercury Monterey, $2,000, location Dannebrog, NE. This 1969 Mercury Monterey features a 390 engine, C6 transmission, and a 9-inch rear end. Interior condition is decent, but it lacks a trunk key. Known issues include old tires and a leaky water pump after extended driving. With $2,000 or a trade, it's a unique project with character for an enthusiast. Car number 3, 1982 Chevrolet Long Bed, $2,500, location Griffin, GA. This 1982 Chevrolet truck has a good running 305 engine but needs a transmission. With an automatic transmission, it's listed for $2,500 or best offer. A straightforward project for someone looking to restore or customize a long bed classic. Car number 4, 1975 Mercury Grand Marquis 2500er, location McDade TX. This one-owner 1975 Grand Marquis is in great shape with original interior in near-new condition. While it needs a carburetor to run, it's a solid 2-door classic project. The seller doesn't have a title, but it can be obtained. Car number 5, 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Project Car, $2,800. Location Aberdeen. This 1975 Corvette project has a clean title and is mostly complete, but missing some interior parts. It's not drivable yet, but it runs and moves. The car has no frame rust, making it a solid candidate for restoration. Car number 6, 1977 Oldsmobile 88 LS Sedan, $2,000. Location Abbeville, LA. This 1977 Oldsmobile 88 runs and drives, but isn't quite highway ready. With some TLC, it could be a great project. Trades are welcome, making it an affordable choice at $2,000 for classic car enthusiasts. Car number 7, 1984 Cadillac Eldorado, $2,500, location Hull, GA. This 1984 Eldorado has a running engine and transmission, but fuel doesn't reach the engine, possibly due to an electrical issue. It includes a new fuel pump, and with over 20 years of sitting, it's in need of some hands-on care. Bill of sale only, but easily registered in Georgia. Car number 8, 1978 Ford F-150 Long Bed, $2,000. Location Coweta, OK. This 1978 F-150 project truck runs, drives, and stops with a 302 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Though it needs significant TLC, the truck comes with a clean title and is listed for $2,000 or best offer. Car number 9, 1984 Ford F-150 Long Bed, 2000, location Houston TX. A solid 4x4 truck, this 1984 F-150 was running but has been sitting for a while. It no longer has a camper, but it comes with a clean Texas title, ready for someone to take on as a project. Car number 10, 1973 Volkswagen Beetle Super, $2,500. Location Broomfield CO. This Super Beetle runs and drives, featuring new door skins and a racing spoiler ready for installation. It lacks rear brake lights and signals, but wiring is available. The clean title isn't in hand, but can be replaced. With 400K on the frame and 100K on the engine, it's ready for a new life on the road. Car number 11, 1983 Mazda RX-7 Coupe, $2,500. Location Bogota, Texas. This 1983 Mazda RX-7 runs and drives, but has dry-rotted tires and a minor issue with blinker wiring. The title was misplaced by the previous owner, so it is sold with a bill of sale. The steering and front end are tight, making it a promising project. Price is firm, and the seller is open to trades for higher-value classics. Car number 12, 1984 Rockwood 35 RV, $2,500. Location Pawnee City, Nebraska. This 1984 Rockwood RV with a 454 Chevrolet engine runs and drives. The generator, refrigerator, and air conditioning were functional a few years ago. It has an exhaust manifold leak and needs a front air spring replacement. The RV has been sitting in a shed and could use some cleaning and repairs. Car number 13, 1985 Chevrolet Corvette Hatchback Coupe, $2,000. Location Roanoke, Alabama. A true barn find, this 1985 Corvette has sat for 30 years. It ran when parked, but will require work to run again. With an automatic transmission, it has 52,000 miles on the odometer and is ideal for a restoration project. The seller is open to trades for a running sport bike with an engine of 600cc or larger. Car number 14, 1976 Jeep Cherokee, $2,000. Location, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. This 1976 Jeep Cherokee runs and has a manual 3-speed transmission. It features a 360 engine and is in fair condition with some rust. The seller recently installed a carburetor kit and the vehicle has good tires. It's a project vehicle needing a tune-up, making it a great choice for off-road enthusiasts. Car number 15, 1974 Jeep DJ5 with LS 5.3 engine. Location Waterloo, Illinois. This 1974 Jeep DJ5 is a right-hand drive project equipped with a 5.3-liter engine from a 2001 Silverado and a 4L60E transmission from a 2002 Silverado. The engine hasn't been fired up yet and it needs additional work, including fuel system installation, brakes, leaf springs, and a new steering box. The title is included and the seller is open to offers. Car number 16, 1983 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, $2,500. Location Bennett, Colorado. This 1983 Chevrolet 1500 short bed has a clean body with minor rust on the bed corner. It has dual fuel tanks and includes front and rear bumpers. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission, but the engine status is unknown. The seller is asking for $2,500 or best offer and is not in a hurry to sell. Car number 17, 1985 Ford RV, $2,000. Location Ogallala, Nebraska. This 1985 Ford RV runs but will need the carburetors tuned. It's suitable for short distances and comes with new flooring for installation. The seller describes it as a fixer-upper, making it a fun project for someone interested in RV restoration. Clean title, asking $2,000 or best offer. Car number 18, 1966 Chevrolet Impala, $2,500. Location, Starkville, Mississippi. A classic 1966 Chevrolet Impala with a 327 engine, this vehicle has an automatic transmission and a clean black exterior and interior. This one-owner car is described as a great project for restoration. With a clean title and no significant damage, it's a fantastic option for classic car enthusiasts. Car number 19, 1970 Cadillac DeVille, $2,000. Location Kansas City, Missouri. This 1970 Cadillac DeVille is a parts car with a frame that has holes. It features a 472 engine that is currently not running. It includes new muffler, exhaust, front quarter panels, and hood hinges. The car will need to be towed as it does not drive. The seller has the title but never registered it. Car number 20, 1975 Volkswagen Beetle hatchback, $2,000. Location, Holiday, Tennessee. This 1975 Volkswagen Beetle has a rebuilt engine with a new carburetor and fuel lines. It has custom-built floor pans and needs work on the brakes and the moonroof seal. The price is firm at $2,000 and the vehicle is available as long as it's listed. That's our roundup of 20 classic cars under $2,900, each an exciting project waiting for the right owner. From rare finds to iconic models, these vintage vehicles offer a unique chance to own a piece of automotive history. Ready to start restoring? Grab your favorite before it's gone.